Assalamu alaikum. So this is a quick demonstration of how to use multiple timers, 555 timers, that all these timers are synchronized together using a synchronizer, a synchronized clock. The one on the left, don't get overwhelmed with schematics, but the one on the left right here is my synchronizer clock. And when I have a synchronizer clock, that means all the other clocks will not drift away from each other, and it will have be able to synchronize between all these clocks. I can use a lot more 555 timers besides the three that I have right here, and I can synchronize between all of them. So that gives you an exposure to how to be able to control many waveforms, pulse width modulated forms, and have them all synchronized together. Very, very important circuit used in so many applications, even communication, the communication schemes, also communication protocols rely on synchronization and synchronized timing, like I2C, Modbus, and different communication protocol will also rely on a 555 timer. Without the timer, they cannot function, it cannot operate. So I'm going to start the simulation, and I'll have you take a quick look at what goes on with these waveforms. I'm synchronizing 1, 2, 3, the blue, green, and red waveforms using my clock pulse, which is the orange pulse right here that's coming from the 555 IC on the very left corner. And as you can see, if I pause the simulation now, since everything is stable, all these functions are stable, they will take they'll take about a second or two to be able to synchronize all three of them together. But as you can see right here, I can control the frequency of all four waveforms, and this is my synchronizer clock. The synchronizer clock is the clock that's connected to the reset of the 555 timer. So within a cycle, each one of these timers, each one of those three timers that are following the main timer, will reset itself from the 555. So the reset will happen at the very bottom, not at the high, not at the top. It will happen at the low. So this is where all three of those timers will reset, and they will start over. So if you look at the green one, it started right here, and if you look at the blue one, it started right here, because the orange is what controls all three of them. So the controller, the main controller, is coming from the orange signal. And if you look at the red one as well, see all three is kind of ties and not drifting. And if you look at the duty cycle of this, is like we have a low, high, low, high. So we were able to squeeze up and down, up and down. And then over here we have a low and a high, a low of 30% and a high of 70%. On the second one, we have a 50-50 duty cycle. So 30-70, 50-50, and this one is a double. All right, so this is just to demonstrate to you how easy it is to be able to control multiple waveforms with different duty cycles at a specific chosen frequency using a synchronizer 555 IC chip. This concludes this demonstration. Take a look at the schematics, and it should be a straightforward, makes a lot of sense. You just need to analyze it with a little bit more details. If you have any other questions, you can ask in the comments below, and I'll try to respond as much as I can. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.